Alright, so what's up YouTube and welcome to a brand new DBS Exclusive. Now on this episode it's all about the fathers, celebrating Jamaican fathers, and let me just tell you this. You see the fathers them I was celebrating on this episode are the young fathers them, the trendy fathers them. The fathers them look like say them are no politician. I mean, you know that the different type of fathers them. Okay, and so I just want to enjoy, relax, and yeah, it's DBS Exclusive. Alright, so the first father that we're going to get to know is Chris. Now, Chris, you know, past student of Meadowbrook, know him from UE as well, and he was actually in one of my old Duttyberry videos where he was featured on the UE Top 10 Best Dressed. Yeah, and while at UE, that was when he became a father. So yeah, I could chat to him.
So right there at my bridge in Chris, I just know your last name. Chris Meredith. Meredith. I know him from Meadowbrook High School and UE as well. And this is his son, Jaden.
Yeah.
Jaden, have your name correct, right? And initially, no, I don't know why Jaden's so quiet now. I earlier thought that Jaden was 6 years old. And Jaden quick and fast and correct me and say like, oh no, I'm 8.
Yeah, he's not a baby anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Chris, what is it like being a father? Like, I'm actually curious.
Honestly, it can be challenging.
Yeah.
But I do believe that to really experience unconditional love, you have to have a child first.
Yeah.
I know that when growing up, my mother used to tell me, say, one day you'll understand. I'm never really too sure what she meant when she was saying that, you know, but like she always find a way to make things happen. And then I know, like today, I can see what she was talking about.
Yeah.
You know, you do put yourself ahead. Not you, sorry, the child.
Yeah. No, so you have to say you make all for like sacrifice and stuff like
that. Yeah.
Alright, so if you ever think about say, oh, you see a brand like all the PS5 right now, then you say, why? My airport with school fee, you can't.
Exactly.
You have to come first.
You have to pay first, book have to buy, uniform. So it does make you look at life differently, from a different perspective. And you change how you deal with stuff.
Yeah, but so you were a father like when in your early 20s?
Yeah.
Early 20s,
yeah,
right?
when I just like started UA.
Yeah, just start college and all of that.
Yeah.
So how you managed to like, you know, grow up so fast, to still try to make sure so you're one young person, so you still want to live a little life.
It was rough, but I had to man up and just take care of my responsibilities. And his mom played a huge part.
Yeah.
We're still cool today, and we work things together. We don't have
also have the co-parenting thing, and stuff.
Definitely.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, man. So that plays a huge part in it.
Alright, Jaden, you said so quick. What's the favorite thing about your father? The best thing about Daddy? Feel free to talk. Like I really feel here. What's the best thing about Daddy? What you said?
You don't know?
No, I'm sure you know.
Eventually.
Wait, hold on. So what you tell me a while ago that your father wins because what?
He always wins just because he becomes Thor.
Oh, which game is this?
Valhalla.
Oh, okay. And that's one of the favorite things that you like doing with your father. Oh, so which game are you better than your father at?
Fortnite.
Oh, you're better at your father in Fortnite? Wow. Okay. What's the best thing about your son?
He's very persistent. Him don't stop. And if
what do you mean, like if he sees something and he wants to do it?
Yeah, and if he's waiting on you to get it and you don't come in time, he's going to try and do it himself.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you can't see it, alright, so this pic. This pic.
Wow. It's not even the same Jaden anymore, but that was a really special moment. Yeah.
How long ago was this?
Probably about 7 years ago.
I bet Jaden don't remember anything about this.
8 years.
Yeah.
This 8 years ago?
Alright, this picture now.
Oh!
Jaden, you don't remember this one? What was happening here? What was going on? Oh, okay.
You was going where?
I don't know. I said I was going here.
So who is that you have in the back seat?
That's me.
Do you have somebody beside you?
Oh.
That's Pumpkin.
Wait, who is that? Is that a pet?
A dog.
Oh, I didn't even know that. I thought it was a pillow or something.
Something alright, yeah.
This one.
Oh. So that's when I pick him up after work, because usually he's with mom in the week.
Yeah, yeah.
So and I used to,
thinking.
so I used to go find him on Fridays, but since the whole COVID, he's been staying with me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. All right. I want you to look into the camera, right? I want you to tell the people that thanks for watching this chat with me and my father. Please to comment or like and share and subscribe. You have that? So thanks for watching this interview with me and my dad. Please to leave a comment.
Subscribe!
Okay.
Jaden, come back!
Come Jaden, come ready for the part.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see.
Thanks for watching this chat with me and my son.
Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, comment down below what's your favorite thing.
All right.
Alright, so that was it for Chris, and so now we're going to move it to the next father. Now this father is, very popular on Instagram, and if you know, you would just know him always a post up him kids. His name is David, but him go by the name Richkingbreezy, and yeah, him not have the like a traditional father look there, but he is very much all about his children.
Watch this, man. Duttyberry, big up yourself. You don't know a rich kid. King Breezy, the rich boy this boss represent. I'm there, my daughter Ashley. I'm my son David. You understand? You know the thing, go RBL.
And so, what do you think make you a unique father?
What make me be a unique father is the fact that I don't really have a special time when I think it's for my kids. I think every time I feed them.
Oh, okay.
So I try to put them in, fit them in everything. If I go to student, I have time to bring them a student. Anywhere I go, them there with me. Anywhere. Supermarket. Out anywhere, just you name it.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your dad?
That he's nice, caring, and loves me and David so much, and tries to spend time with me and David even when he's doing games and those stuff.
Oh, okay. And what you have to say, David?
He's very nice, handsome, and he shares everything that he has. Yeah.
All him food too. If he's having enough him food, you can just like go in and just like take it to it.
But yes.
Of course, them do what them want to do, man. Them ever come try worse than me I eat grape. Them always no care if me give them own, come teach them to be independent. If me I do something for myself, I give them for them own. You know what I mean? Put them in them own little circle. So more time them run out and them feel like them need to come trouble mine. So them trouble it and them get to it.
Alright, so one of the things I'm rate is that usually when you go on some people like Instagram, especially like mothers, they always have the people. It's like if you go there every time you scroll, you just see pictures of them and them kids. You don't really see that much with like fathers.
Alright.
And so what make you decide say, okay, I'm not gonna be like that. I'm gonna be with somebody who will own up and show up my kids.
Alright, first and foremost, most people where you see where the father not really there with them kids, I think them really did as on a level like a spiteful thing. Show them not in a relationship with the mother, them want to get back to the mother. So them really take away themselves from having a relationship with the kid to hurt the mother. But I know so them hurt the kid. The kids are whatever. Me now, on a whole, me just genuinely love my kids. It's a passion. I think God made me the way. You cannot define this. There's nothing can define the bond I have between them, and it's a self thing. Me, this is what me love and what me want. You know what I mean? It give me a drive to see me take care of my kids them and give them everything what they want. I'm gonna get it from my father too, because I say my father got big word for me. And big word for the 4 a week. You know what I mean? Devon, big up yourself. I see him big word for we, and me did young and me have the first one out of 4. And I can remember say my father really got big word for we. And then when in poverty and I see him do it, so do the same thing.
So alright, now so kids, so since this is for like Father's Day, I want both of you to like just take the mic and to just like share like like how you feel about your dad and wishing him happy Father's Day. Who wants to start first?
I'll start first.
Take it away.
So look at your father.
Daddy, you're very nice, sweet and caring, I love me and David so much, and I wish you a very happy Father's Day. And I really wish you live to see many, many, million more Father's Day from me and David. And I hope you have a nice Father's Day, and we take care of you, and I hope you live great.
Thank you so much, baby. That was so brilliant. Thank you. I will.
Nice one.
Come on now, my twin, what go on? Where have you seen my daddy? Where have you seen my daddy? You my boss? Where have you now?
He's very nice, caring. He does everything for us. He would literally die for us.
Wow.
He would do anything that we ask. He would just, every ask for anything, he would say yes. And I hope you have many, many more Father's Day. All I can say.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, watch your now, man. You don't know King Breezy, the rich boy this boss I represent. Fully RBL. May I say right now, see the real fathers them out there. Don't be afraid to be a father to your kids. I want to big up who really be a good father. Because father really not get to highlight them forget. But we're going to do the right thing and set example and make another father. When I do the right thing, pick a page out of our book. So our real father big up and all one of father you can start today, never too late. See? Just do the right thing. Even an hour, bring your kids to get some ice cream. Go to the football field and kick 2 balls. Don't bother sit down on the corner and waste days and wait till your son or your daughter reach a star level. You remember them and say your son or your daughter. Do it now.
Alright, so we don't talk to 2 of the fathers them already, so we have the final father now. This father is a social media personality. You might know him as one of the kings them of Instagram. Him go by the name Prince Pine, and so we're gonna talk to him and find out what it is like since he is like a young father, kind of one father, what, like 20, 21? Yeah, more of us. Alright, okay.
Hold on,
It's so strong.
Kale. Your turn soon.
It's a strong. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, a hit song.
Yeah.
Say hi, Kale. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Alright. Well, Burritos, I have the last person here, and this is none other than social media personality Prince Pine. Now, when we talk about Father's Day celebration, I have to include him because today, you know, it's all dedicated to like the younger fathers. Them. Pine,
Yeah.
how has it been?
You see what I'm going?
Yeah.
That's how it's been, you know? But
Yeah.
it's been good, you know? Every day I learn something new.
Yeah.
Or every 2 days. You know?
Alright, so when at what point did it really hit you? So like, oh, I'm actually a father. I mean, hear some people say like it's not like when you know say the baby is on its way. It's like when you look and you look on our face and say, whoa, I actually made this.
Yeah, when it up. I think the first time I went, I think she did no. First time I went, she said daddy. Yeah.
Oh.
She said daddy.
When she said daddy, like it hit.
Because she did say daddy first, and it was her first word. You know, so
Yeah.
I say, man, the real thing this.
How has fatherhood like changed you so far? Like how you think like it make you more mature, make you look at things differently?
Yeah, in a way, yes. Because now, I can't just think about myself alone. You know? I have to think about her too as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm responsible for somebody, not just myself now. So you see me, yeah.
You find yourself like cry or be a little bit more emotional now since you're a father?
No,
But you say
not
still
really. No, my heart
You know,
no
watch
cold.
certain movies now and
It kind of cool,
yeah.
but it's not really cold, you know?
Yeah.
When I think it'll go like warm, you see me, but yeah, I'm not really cry or nothing like that, yeah.
Alright, so more for know like, cause what kind of shows like is she into right now?
Just Peppa Pig and them things,
Oh,
just
Jesus
low on
Christ.
YouTube.
So you find yourself watch any other show them like tell the truth?
Yeah, I can say them word for word.
Let me hear one of them Pine. Which one of them?
How you go? A is for apples, apples. B for banana.
Alright.
C for cat, as I go. B for dog, sing it, Kali. A is for apple.
Apple.
Yeah. B is for boy.
Boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let me hear Peppa Pig impersonation.
Say Peppa Pig. Say Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Daddy. It's a daddy.
Oh gosh. Alright, so where did you was it like a thing where you said like, okay, I never want to wait until like I reach like, you know, like 80 before I become a father? Or was it just one of them things where you're just like, yo, it's something I may look forward to one day?
You see, because my last name, it rare, you see me, so you don't know me for plant my royal oats from now, you see, because yeah, so people can know about the leg wars and them things, so I make sure I do that from now, you know what I mean?
I'm glad I come out, come see this. Nah, like, a beer is just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
Our brother dip on the way.
Oh, you said the brother, what do you for? Look out.
Yeah, look out for the brother.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I said when that time I know them, we can probably get a vlog channel.
A
family vlog channel.
I actually start the vlog thing still now, but I mean, no, I think true, I don't really do it every day.
No, you have to find,
that I think I'm use my phone, so I kind of invest in our camera, so when that forward, I start do it like every day and them things, like the people them like see her and them things, so yeah. Yeah man, I start up the vlog thing already. Yeah.
You find anything kind of like off or you feel like awkward sometimes when you're in our spaces, we're around other fathers, and because them have the, you know, the politician father look there, and you come in as like the young trendy father, you know, you feel some type of awkward like.
No, not really. I don't feel no way. Not really. No, I don't think so.
And then again, I look at bad vibes from like the rest of father them like.
No.
Okay, so everything is just cool.
Yeah, everything cool.
Alright, so if I'm say like you say you're gonna have a you might have try back for the youth.
Yeah, what?
You gotta try back for the youth and give her a little brother.
No man, the youth dip on him way, man.
Oh, wait, so so how come wait what? So wait, how come name Dutty wait. Okay, let me just like left that one, but me gonna try find a name. Like what kind of name? I think you're gonna stay one of them people that like stick to like CRK our names.
Yeah man, Kevin Jr., you know?
Okay.
Yeah, cause remember my first name kinda rare too. Yeah, so yeah man, we have to like the rareness. No, cut out that.
Yeah,
why?
somebody never say like why. So why?
Cut out
so why? Yeah.
So don't say why.
Are the Peppa Pig song this?
Alright. What she has said?
Yeah.
Okay, Kali. Yeah.
Kali, do you like your father's videos? You like them?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, like your last video, by the way, the lighter spray there. Jesus, Pim. Anyway, we're gonna play a game of Never Have I Ever.
Yeah.
And Kali, feel free. Yes, you ready?
We're gonna play a game, Kali. You ready?
Right. Never have I ever eaten baby food. Okay.
I'm gonna eat baby food.
Which one are baby food they may eat?
Wait, something name? Wait, biscuit name, man? No, man, the one look like animal crackers, but it's soft.
Stop eating out the fitness snack.
In a great. Wait, something name? It's soft and it melts in your mouth. The Gerber melts? Yeah, Gerber melts.
Why for the melt in your mouth?
Yeah, I eat baby food.
Oh, you eat baby food? Gerber?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, I have to taste it if it mixed properly. Because I have to mix it for them.
Okay. Never have I ever accidentally hit my child's head on a door or any object while carrying her. Oh, you remember that? Yes. Yeah, man, talk about your pain. My kid's head on a door or something while carrying them. I'm sorry for that.
One time I came up here and was walking, I meet him in the door.
Oh gosh.
No, never.
You've never, no, like in terms of when you were a baby and he was carrying you and he accidentally like hit up your head on like a door or something.
No.
I don't.
You've never accidentally dropped them?
No.
Okay.
I accidentally wake up out of my sleep one day and my hand hit her.
Oh, okay.
Knocked on the door.
Never ever laughed when my child said a swear word.
Like, I don't like it.
Yeah, she did so. Yeah,
You laugh?
she did so.
No,
Okay.
put him in time out.
Never have I ever farted and blamed it on my child.
No, I'm not do that yet.
And blamed it on the child.
No.
Or child.
Yes, I did.
Never ever lied about my child's age to get a discount or something.
No, I'm gonna reach this way.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Can't remember.
Okay, can't remember. Okay.
Probably.
Yeah. Don't you
Because you can
You
get
see?
it free.
Okay, wow. Don't zero people Never have I ever had an entire meal consisting of my children's dinner scraps. So your father ever eat like you eat and live? Like you went somewhere and you have your fries and him like he went into your food and eat it?
No. Yeah.
That's a lie. I always do.
You always.
Oh, like he doesn't. It doesn't.
Oh my god.
He doesn't.
Alright.
Never eat and eat after you stuff like eat your overleft food.
No.
Oh my god.
Never have I ever bought my child a present that I secretly wanted for myself.
No, I'm buy snacks. So I'm for myself.
Okay, which present was that?
All the time.
Which present did you
PlayStation game.
Oh, okay, that you wanted for yourself. Okay. Never have I ever been more nervous than my child at a parent-teacher meeting. Jaden, you have something you need to share?
Yeah, you have something you want to tell me? I'm my granddaddy.
Oh gosh, Cartel would be proud. I ever had a crush on a children's TV presenter?
A children's TV presenter that are like a host?
Yeah, like when I'm look up like pick the TV show that come on and stuff like that.
Yeah. one girl, she was like a train. She was a train? No man, she was a train conductor or certain name. One TV show man, I don't remember what name. She did Hispanic and you know.
Yeah.
Very beautiful senorita.
So you just check the show just for that?
Just for that.
Okay. You can get more emotional since becoming a father?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, still cool. Have I ever cried in front of my children?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. You see it? Oh. What kind of cry? He was on them that ball like,
No, he's not.
oh, just like a one tear.
Like silent tears.
It's bad moments and the energy that does bring tears. I'm most tears of joy still.
Oh, dude, but don't say you cry.
I'm not cry.
I cry. Think of that. What?
As I say, tears of joy. Because
Okay.
I'm look back at my father from to me, know. I'm see how my kids them and me and them happy and know me didn't have poverty and I can set a better way for them. It make me feel happiness of joy. So more time them catch me off guard when me and them elements they say.
Yeah. Never ever use my child to get out of annoying plans.
Yeah. Every day. Wait, no. No.
All the time.
Alright, so I think that is it. But what we want you to do right now is just to like, you know, there are a lot of youths who like look up to you. And there are a lot of people right now, like, you know, becoming fathers at like a young age. Like, what you just say to kind of give them like the little strength and encouragement there for say like, you know, you can still like live your young life,
Yeah,
but
it's
still
not-
find a way to be present in your child's life. Like, just talk to them.
Well, basically, it's not hard as it look, you know. You must can find a way for schedule certain things. It might be more to say difficult. It just sometimes because sometimes things will pop up and you have to make a decision. Sometimes just that are the only thing. But other from that, I don't have nothing to worry about. Except for times like this, our one should do it up herself. And our mother not ever change. So yeah.
Well,
5, 4.
Kale, well that is it. I want you to
what?
tell the people on YouTube bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye bye.
Okay.
Say bye bye.
Okay, Kale.
Say bye bye.
Alright, yeah, that means bye-bye. You can't let her go in there, you can't let her go. Make sure go on.
Go on.
Alright, well that is it for the DBS exclusive interviews. You know, so the focus was all about, you know, like young fathers. Like the fathers, them were just like have a different style, a different swag, and a different energy. And I think the conversation has been good. So right about now, I'm gonna say if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, subscribe, follow Pine right here. So I'm gonna make sure to put him YouTube vlog up here so you can go and check it out as well. Okay, peace out.